Hello friends, so today we will discuss losses in case of flow through pipes. So these are categorized in two basic categories. First is major losses. So major losses are due to the friction or viscosity, and Darcy-Weisbach gave an equation to calculate such losses, which is FLB square upon 2GD, where F is friction factor, D is diameter of the pipe, L is length of the pipe, Q is discharge, right? Other losses are minor losses. These losses are due to the change in cross section, bend, fitting, sudden expansion, sudden contraction, exit losses, entry losses. First, sudden expansion. So you can see the diameter of pipe is changing from pipe 1 to pipe 2. So because of that, the streamline expands in the bigger dia pipe, and due to which some region created, you can see where eddies formation takes place due to the low pressure zone, and due to which the head losses occurs. These head losses are calculated with the help of Bernoulli continuity and momentum equation, right? At this section where this change occurs by applying section 1 and 2 taking close by, and these losses are accounted. So from applying Bernoulli continuity and momentum equation, the head losses are V1 minus V2 whole square by 2G. V1 is the velocity in cross section pipe 1 dia, V2 is velocity in pipe 2 dia, and that is also then written as V1 square by 2G 1 minus A1 by A2 from the help of continuity equation. The other case is exit loss. Suppose the pipe is directly discharges that fluid to the atmosphere. In that case, we can assume that it is another case of sudden expansion, where the next area of pipe is infinite. So we put A2 is equal to infinity and we get the value. Head loss will be V1 square by 2G. Next is sudden contraction. So due to sudden contraction, this minimum cross section area occurs, which is known as vena contracta, and by the applying Bernoullis between this area of contracta and the pipe second, we get the head loss by applying all these three equations, Bernoullis, continuity and momentum equation. The head loss is nearly equal to 0.5 V2 square by 2G or V2 square by 2G 1 upon Cc minus 1 whole square, where Cc is coefficient of contraction. Fourth one is entrance loss. So suppose a small dia pipe is connected to a tank, so due to which there is sudden contraction will occur, and the head loss will be 0.5 V square by 2G. V is the velocity in that pipe. Another case is fitting losses. When two pipes are connected, so there are some losses due to fitting. So we'll take a fitting factor Kf, and loss will be Kf V square by 2G. Another is bend loss. You can see the bend is there. So in that case, bend loss will be Kb, which is bend factor V square by 2G. If the angle theta is increased, the bend factor will increase. If the radius of arc is increased, this bend loss will decrease. Now we try to solve a numerical problem. A sudden expansion of a water pipeline from dia 0.24 meter to 0.48 meter. The HGL hydraulic gauge line rise by 10 mm, then find the discharge in meter cube per second. We have four options. So from our continuity and Bernoulli, we got one thing, that V1 is equal to 4 V2. Now we also applied the Bernoulli equation, and with the help of Bernoulli equation we got another equation, which is V2 into V1 minus V2 is equal to 98.1 into 10 power minus 3. Putting the previous value, we got the discharge 0.0327 meter cube per second.